Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw crypto from Web3 wallet to Coinbase wallet, detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw crypto from your Web3 wallet to your Coinbase wallet, start by opening your Web3 wallet application. Log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the section of the wallet that shows your current balances. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. Click on the Send or Withdraw option. You will be prompted to enter the recipient's address. Open your Coinbase Wallet app now. In your Coinbase Wallet, tap on the Receive button. Select the cryptocurrency you are withdrawing. You will see a QR code and an address displayed. Copy the address shown. Return to your Web3 wallet. Paste the Coinbase wallet address into the recipient's address field. Double-check the address you pasted for accuracy. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Review any network fees that may apply. Once confirmed, click on the Send or Withdraw button. A confirmation prompt will likely appear. Review the details once more before finalizing the transaction. Complete any necessary two-factor authentication steps if prompted. After submitting, wait for the transaction to process. You can check the status of the transaction in your Web3 wallet. Once the transaction is confirmed, open your Coinbase wallet. Check the transaction history in Coinbase to see the incoming funds. Congratulations, you have successfully withdrawn crypto from your Web3 wallet to your Coinbase wallet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.